Bye, love. Sometimes you need an art activity that helps to focus minds and give purpose to boredom. So I'm going to show you 3 of my favourite ones without fancy materials or any fuss, and I like to call them spaghetti lines. Find the triangle, and my absolute favourite, the doodle pizza. Take your pencil and draw a long continuous line, allowing your hand to flow freely, creating organic shapes from the overlapping lines. Now you can add colour to the different shapes, or fill them with doodle patterns. Put 15 dots randomly on your paper. Now choose any 3 dots and join them together to create a triangle. Join together 3 more dots, which will create new triangles from the overlapping lines. The challenge is to see how many triangles you can create by repeating this process. You can add colour, repeating patterns, or explore negative and positive space. Draw a large wobbly circle on your paper. Then draw a slightly smaller wobbly circle inside it. Draw a vertical line, draw a horizontal line, and draw 2 diagonal lines. Fill each slice of pizza with a different doodle or pattern, and you can always add colour to really make it look delicious. Right, enjoy making it, enjoy teaching it.